Techno update. Subscribe now.
Sony Xperia XZ Premium Review. After years of foisting overpriced mediocrity like the Xperia X Performance and the Xperia XZ on us, phones which were even outclassed by their predecessors, Sony has delivered up the Xperia XZ Premium. It uses the latest everything plus a raft of Sony's own innovations to create a phone which, on paper at least, is competitive with the rest of the market. Key specs: 5.5 in, 3840 by 2160, 807 pps LCD display, 64GB RAM, 2.45 GHz Snapdragon 835 octa-core CPU plus Adreno 540 GPU, 19MP/13MP cameras, Android 7.1, 3,230 mAh battery, fingerprint reader, micro SD, dual SIM card slot, on some variants, IP68 waterproof, 156 by 77 by 8 mm, 195 grams. Design and handling. We were simultaneously struck by both the size and the fantastic chromed finish of the Premium. It's available in shiny black from most outlets. This really is a whopper of a phone, and at 195 grams it feels it. Sony has, slightly, pushed beyond its squashed box design values and instead delivered us curved corners and edges which run all the way down the phone. These make it comfortable to hold, and it's surprisingly not slippy despite being coated in super tough Gorilla Glass 5. You can literally use the back as a mirror. We were impressed. Audio. We're glad to see that Sony offers stereo speakers. In a world where most competitors are offering a single main speaker at the bottom of their phones, we were happy to note that sound noticeably sounded fuller and more rounded. There's a little punch and even a subsonic bass. However, it doesn't get as loud as you'd expect. This extends to conference calls and even regular voice calls. It's still well usable for video calls, but in noisy environments we struggled to hear on occasions, more so than with competitors. A dedicated microphone in the body helps make all earbuds and headphones noise cancelling, and 24-bit audio support means high-end playback is supported, with compatible devices. Camera. Sony's phone cameras have been incredibly frustrating over the years. While very capable of great shots, the shutter lag and focal reaching means that shots have regularly been missed or come out blurred. It looks like Sony has finally put this to bed, however, at least for the most part. While many competitors have been dropping resolution in order to maximize low-light performance, Sony has kept a high 19-megapixel resolution for its main camera and 13-megapixel resolution for its selfie camera. Most people will rely on the intelligent auto mode, which doesn't just automatically focus and expose photos but optimizes settings for each scene. As such, if it recognizes a close-up picture, you'll find a nice bokeh blurred effect has been added, while nighttime effects get added light processing. Special effects. We often dismiss built-in visual effects as gimmicky, but some of Sony's are great. That they work so well in both stills and video mode, not 4K though, is a boon, and we didn't get tired of switching between them.